Good morning, everyone. I am here to tell you how to do a battle in Prodigy. So I am already started in a battle, and I am battling against this little porcupine that's in the game. So what I'm going to do is press attack. You can either press batter up or magi shot. I'm going to press batter up, and you answer the question. Now, if you need the question read to you, you can press this microphone button that's in the top left corner. If you need any hints as to how to answer it, you press these little light bulbs, and they give you hints as to what's supposed to go into that spot. So now I am going to put in my answer. And once you put in your answer, you press cast spell down in the right hand corner. And if you get it correct, this is what happens. So now I've gotten experience points, my health is going up, I am closer to leveling up, and I have just won the battle. And you click any chest that you earn. I'm going to click next on this. And that is how you win a battle. If you don't know how to get into a battle, you can either battle someone else by clicking on their player like I just did with this person, and you can press battle, or you could even friend request them. If you just want to battle one of the animals, all you have to do is go right up to them and the battle begins. And it's going to take you right back to this screen. Okay? I hope this helped you. This helped you know how to battle in Prodigy in case you were a little confused. Now you can go, you can battle your friends, you can level up and practice your math. Have fun!